Konnichiwa, Sensei Adrian. Today I'm going to show you how to do a fist hammer. So we've been doing this and I want to show you guys for at home practicing your fist hammers. So the first thing we do is I need to make two tight fists. I bring one across my face up to my ear and the other hand I have straight out like in a punch. My fist hammer is going to be striking out with this part of my hand. So nice and slow, my fist hammer comes straight out and my other hand comes back into retraction. So again, back to position is across your face, your hand is to your ear, and your fist hammer comes straight out. Nice and slow. And now I'm going to show you faster. So right to your ear and straight out. Keep practicing your fist hammers. You also want to do both sides. So bring your other hand to your ear. Other hand is out in a punch. This hand comes straight out in my fist hammer and back to my retraction. So back to your ear. Ready, big ki fist hammer. So both sides. Practice both sides for your fist hammers. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep up the good work at home. Sayonara.